Hello, everyone. The goal here today is to write or generate a graph, a basic histogram graph. Now, histogram, like history, is actually not nominal or ordinal variables. They're just all numbers. So we can easily do this. We're going to see the point of this with income. You see, just say this is income from my very famous ice cream data set, which is a lot of fun to use because people can get their kind of hands around this very easily. You have consumption, the dependent variable, income, price, and temperature outside being potential independent variable causing consumption to go up and down. But here we're just going to look at people's income. That's it. And we want to graph it. Let's just say you have some kind of data you want to graph and see how many 79, 78, 82, 85, 86, etc. This is a perfect data set because there's not that many numbers and it's easy to kind of grasp at this point. Now, I did put it up here in the notes up here. So sometimes people like to look and see exactly what is going on here. So with ggplot, I obviously uploaded and attached the ice cream data set. If you've been following me, you know how to do that. Also, I got Plotly out of the library. That makes ggplot essentially interactive, but it's a very easy code and it really explains a lot. Some people are visual learners. So here you have, what's a gplot? ggplot, boom, boom, and then the data set is called ice cream. Then you've got to do a plus, as we know. And remember aesthetics. So usually it's X and Y, but here it's just going to be X equals income. And then we got this and just histogram. Here we go. Now you probably want a color here. I put black. So the color itself, black, will be good because, oops, you got to put it in quotes. And spell it right. Because that will be the outlining. If you want to fill it, which we definitely do, I like this light blue. We could do another one. Let's do, say, pink. And then you could actually do, which I'll show you in a minute, this GMV line in order to just show the mean. But if you just go like this, it's pretty easy. Boom, there you have your little histogram. So this just encompasses a number of numbers and shows you how many. So you see the size of this is not that big. So it just encompasses 2 or 3 numbers. So you have, this is 2 of these, 3 of these, 3 of these, 2 of these, 1 of these, etc. So you don't have that much going on, but it's just telling you how many of the numbers you have. And if you go to table, you can easily see this. So this will tell us, like here we have 276, so it looks like these are the 76. Now you can make these bigger to encompass more numbers, say 76 and 78. You could make it bigger, this line over here. So instead of, say, 2 and 3, that would be 5. Am I correct? Yeah. And then one thing going up here to way up here, 5 past the 3, obviously. You could do the same thing here, put like one with those 3 numbers, so it would be a wider width band, it's called. The bin is bigger, so it'd be 1, 3, and then 4, and then 6. So this would be 6, go all the way up here. But it's just telling you how many numbers are. This is a very thin width band. Now you can also, which is pretty cool, I could just copy and paste this one, and copy it onto up here, watch. This shows you where the mean is. That's a legend. That's the color. The mean happens to be red. And that right there is the exact mean of the histogram. So that's easy. That's a histogram in R Studio, R being the statistical language, R Studio being the user-friendly interface. And that is it. And that's your basic histogram in a nutshell. So that's pretty easy for if you ever want to demonstrate and display very nice looking graphs. Of course, really quick, I think I like light blue better, so you could just finish that. There you go, so now it's light blue. Hope you people enjoyed that one. You can communicate in a dissertation, in a thesis, in anything you want to do. Take care, everyone.